Hey guys, Robyn Dempsey here with the Holli McCray Home Marketing Group. I've got another awesome property to show you guys. This property is located at 10233 Rara Drive. That's off of Fox Road in West Knoxville. This is a 4-bedroom home with 4 full and 1 half bath. It's got a finished basement, a huge backyard, and just so much opportunity to raise kids, run in circles, have a home office, whatever you guys want to do. So let me show it to you. This home has so much potential and so much room to move around with your growing family. Inside of the neighborhood, there are lots of wooded areas that offer a lot of privacy and make it feel like you are not right on top of your neighbors. As we go into the front door of this lovely home, you will see that we have a formal office area that flows wonderfully into the living room. And on the opposite side of the entryway, we have got a formal dining room, the stairs leading to the upper level, hardwood floors, beautiful molding, just a lot of attention to detail in this home. The dining room also has tray ceilings. There have been so many upgrades made to this property. As you walk into the kitchen, we have got tiled flooring, a small opening that goes into the living room, and lots of windows. Dine-in kitchen, granite countertops, and stainless appliances. Floors. There is new paint in many areas of the home, as well as new carpet everywhere. The master is located on the main level. It's a very spacious master with lots of natural sunlight. The owners spared no expense when they were upgrading the bathrooms. Oh, pay me. Large jacuzzi tub, his and hers vanities. Also in the master bathroom, there's a walk-in shower. On the second level of the property, there is a landing space surrounded by 3 additional bedrooms. The laundry is also located upstairs with these 3 bedrooms. Two of the 3 bedrooms that are upstairs have their own bathroom. And the additional bedroom on the opposite side of the landing this bedroom shares a type of Jack and Jill with the landing area. As we go into the lower level of the home, there is a lot of space that could be used for virtually anything. There is a full bathroom to the left of the lower area of the house. There is plenty of storage in these extra closets. And then this could be used as a theater room, a rec room, additional living space, a mother-in-law suite. The world is your oyster. Also, there is a kitchenette on the main level. My favorite part about this house has to be the yard and the dual decks. There is additional parking located on the outside of the garage where you could park a boat, a trailer, an additional car. It sits on just a little under half an acre back here, and it's very wooded and private. There are dual porches that are both screened in off the back of the home. And the upstairs deck is not a bad way to have your coffee in the morning. And that concludes our showing at 10233 Rara in West Knoxville. If you would like to schedule a showing, please give me a call on my cell at 865-306-3052 or contact our office at 833-HMG-SOLD. Thanks guys, and happy house hunting.